fool that falls slightly faster than the apple of the master, quelling up him by a tree. And every time he falls, finds some reason, some disgraceful mechanism to get up and fall again. And he will say, I'm not going home, today might be the day. I'm coming to the end of something, yeah. It's early to let go, and the beggar and the lover are smiling to one another like they never did before. With every winter gone, I write a letter, and if I was to live forever, I would do it all the same. It is addressed to some fool in the future, when it's older and much looser, just in case he will forget. He used to say, I'm not going home, today might be the day. I'm coming to the end of something, yeah. It's early to let go, and the beggar and the lover are smiling to one another, saying to themselves, we're not going home, today might be the day. We're coming to the end of something, yeah. It's early to let go, and the beggar and the lover are smiling to one another and singing every fool that falls slightly faster than the apple of the master, quelling up him by a tree. And every time he falls, finds some reason, some disgraceful mechanism to get up and fall again. And he will say, I'm not going home, today might be the day. I'm coming to the end of something, yeah. It's early to let go, and the beggar and the lover are smiling to one another like they never did before. With every winter gone, I write a letter, and if I was to live forever, I would do it all the same. It is addressed to some fool in the future, when it's older and much looser, just in case he will forget. He used to say,